Mire Lazarov. 10% talent. Naporna работа. I 70% voda. Pelistarka. 100% život.
What's your impression about Macedonian squad in this tournament, especially with the best player in our squad?
Yes, Mr. Lazarov is always good. So I think it's like always. He's played good and he's done everything from the 9 meters, and he takes the shot, and he has done a lot with the goals. So he is a class spieler.
In the past, our match against Russia was always full of new handball dimension, dramatic. We win 2 years ago at the World Cup in Croatia. We play at our first European Championship '98. We have excellent tradition playing with Russian national team. What do you think about the next game? Can be decisive for the best place at this group?
Yes, it's a very interesting game because also the Russian team is quite new. It's not new players, but the way they are playing and the atmosphere in the team. And after the championship in Europe last time, we have built a new mentality. So it will be nice to meet Macedonian and Mr. Lazarov. So we hope the best.